Today's lesson has been brought to you by Limitless Learning TT. For additional videos as well as more information on our services offered, please visit www.limitlesslearningtt.com. In today's lesson, we'll be exploring mathematical induction. Mathematical induction is a way of proving that things are true. We're going to do this by following three steps. The first, we're going to show that it's true for n is equal to 1. The second step, we're going to assume that it's true for n is equal to k. And step 3, we're going to prove that it's true for n is equal to k plus 1 using our assumption in step 2 that it's true for n is equal to k. Let's explore these three steps by doing an example. Let's look at the example 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus my middle terms plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n squared. According to step 1, the first thing that we have to do is show that it's true for n is equal to 1. The left-hand side of my equation will simply be equal to 1 because 1 is the first term. My right-hand side will be 1 squared since n is equal to 1. And 1 squared is equal to 1. So therefore, my left-hand side is equal to my right-hand side, which means that step 1 we have accomplished. We've proven that it's true for n is equal to 1. Our next step is to assume that it's true for k when n is equal to k. So therefore, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus my middle terms plus 2k minus 1 should be equal to k squared. And we're going to use this assumption that's in our box to prove that it's true for n is equal to k plus 1. So now we're on to the third and final step where we're proving that it's true for n is equal to k plus 1. So essentially what we need to prove true is that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus our middle terms plus 2k minus 1 plus 2 times k plus 1 minus 1, which is our k plus 1th term, is in fact equal to k plus 1 squared. So we're going to do this by first taking our left-hand side and working down so that it's equal to our right-hand side. So let's start off with our left-hand side. Now here is where step 2 comes in handy. We know that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus the middle terms plus 2k minus 1, that is this portion here, is equal to k squared based on step 2, our assumption that it's true for n is equal to k. So therefore we can replace this part of our equation or this part of our left-hand side with k squared. And then we fill in the remainder of our expression. So now we're going to expand our brackets in our expression. So that's going to give us k squared plus 2k plus 2 minus 1. This can be simplified to k squared plus 2k plus 1. And now we can factor this to k plus 1 squared, which is equal to our right-hand side. So therefore, we have shown step 3. We have proven that this is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That's it for today's lesson. For additional videos and for more information about the services we offer, please visit www.limitlesslearningtt.com or you can find us on Facebook, keyword Limitless Learning TT.